A very good afternoon to one and all present over here. The topic of the day to be presented on behalf of this poster presentation competition is artificial intelligence in the domain of pharmacy. So, very firstly, I'll give you the basic introduction to the AI. What is AI? According to the father of artificial intelligence, John McCarthy, it is a science and engineering of making intelligent machines, right? So the use of artificial intelligence has been increasing in various sectors of the society today, particularly in pharmaceutical industries. So we highlight the use of AI in diverse sectors of pharmaceutical industries, including drug discovery and development. So the goal of AI system is to develop a system capable of taking complex problems in ways similar to the human logic and reasoning. So the advancement of AI, along with its remarkable tools, continuously aim to reduce the challenges faced by pharmaceutical companies, impacting the drug development process along with the overall life cycle of products, which could explain the increase in number of startup in this sector. So the current healthcare sector is facing several complex challenges such as increased cost of drugs and therapies. So the society really needs a specific significant changes in this area. With the inclusion of AI in the manufacturing of pharmaceutical products, personalized medication with the desired dose, release parameters, and other required aspects can be manufactured according to the individual patient's need. So, meanwhile, it can also make a major contribution to the further AI incorporation of the developed drug in its correct dosage form, as well as its optimization. In addition to aiding quick decision making, it can lead to the faster manufacturing of better quality products along with the assurance of batch to batch consistency. AI can also contribute to the establishing the safety and efficacy of the products in clinical trials, as well as it can also ensure the proper positioning of the system in the market through the comprehensive market analysis and prediction. Although there are no such drug currently in the market developed with the AI based approaches, the specific challenges remain same with the regards to the implementation of this technology. It is likely that AI will become an invaluable tool in the pharmaceutical industries in the near future. So, hoping this, I end up my presentation here. Thank you very much.